and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can add people on Telegram on PC. It's a very straightforward process. All you have to do is just make sure you've downloaded and log into your Telegram app in your desktop. Now launch your Telegram app. Mine is in here. So once you've launched it, there at the top left corner, we have a hamburger menu. Let's select it. Once we've done that, we can see contact section. Let's select it. Here in this pop-up, if you browse through the lower section, there is add contact. So let's select it again. Now here's your time to enter the first name and the last name and the phone number. So let's just type out the name and the phone number. Now just click on create and the new person will be added on your Telegram. Now you know how to add people on Telegram on PC. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding adding people on Telegram on PC, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.